Today I welcome Anjali Singh in 10 minute 10 thoughts. Anjali Singh is multi-talented girl, good dancer, good artist, good orator. She won several gold medal at a school level. She is a student of Christ University Bangalore. Today she will talk on commerce and its diverse fields. So welcome Anjali.
Uh, Good evening, sir. Thank you so much. A very warm welcome to whoever is watching this video. Sir already told you about me, and I'm Anjali Singh from Christ University.
Okay.
Yes,
So
sir. Please go
Anjali,
ahead.
my first question, why did you choose commerce?
Sir, to be very honest, like any other middle class Indian child, my parents wanted me to take science after I scored 10 CGPA in my boards, in my 10th boards. So I I don't know, I wasn't sure about my subjects back then, but I really knew what I didn't wanted to do.
Okay.
That time it was very hard for me to figure out what I wanted to do, but then I knew that I wasn't someone who could study bio and maths
Okay.
because these subjects were not capable of grabbing my interest. Yes, so you were saying something.
Yes. Go ahead. Go ahead.
Yeah. Yeah. So, but then when I told my parents that I want to take commerce because I'm left with no options. I don't want to read a lot of theory in arts. I don't want to do biology. I don't want to do maths. But then it took me some time to figure out that I actually had interest in this. When I started studying subjects like business administration, accounts, economics, and that's when I realized that yes, this is the right place. This is something I love.
Okay. So my second question, Anjali, why did you choose Christ University, not other colleges?
So again, going back to the same statement, being a middle class child, all I
Okay.
wanted to do is study in a reputed college which held some rank all over India with respect to the course I wanted to choose it for. Initially, I was planning for Delhi University, but then I landed up having 95% marks, which is not that bad, but not that great to get admission into top colleges of DU. They require some 97, something like that. So then I started figuring out other options, and then I realized my college, my Christ College, stood second all over India with respect to my course. And that's when it hit me hard, and that's when I started thinking about Christ, and I applied Christ, and then by God's grace, I got admission also. So everything was smooth enough.
Okay. So my third question, Anjali, what were your challenges with respect to your journey?
Okay, so to this question, I would just like to segregate these challenges into like the serious ones and the non-serious ones. So starting with the serious challenges, very first challenge was people were multilingualistic. First of all, when I got in Bangalore, so the local language of Bangalore is Kannada. So all the localites over there, I heard them talking in Kannada. And then in my Christ College itself, I have people who are from Gujarat, I have people from Northeast, I have people from North, South, different countries. And that's when I started realizing the importance of this global language. And that's when I started actually talking to people in English and then understanding their perspective of things. So first was multilingualistic people. Secondly, I would say all of the students were meritorious. So to this, so what happens is like when we are in our own shell, like when we are in our own class, own school, it's like अंधों में काना राजा वाली बात हो जाती है sir. So what happens is like we are best at what we do, but then when we actually get people like us, it's very hard to outperform them and then prove yourself. That was the second challenge I faced. Third was homesickness because I had stayed with my parents for quite a long time. So yeah, homesickness was one big issue. I used to miss my parents, my home. And then food problems. I wasn't able to cope up with the food given over there, as in like their staple diet was sambar, rice, dosa, and what I was used to eating since I was a child was dal, chawal, khichdi, and all the North Indian stuff. And then with respect to health problems, I got sick like many times, but then by God's grace again, I recovered and I got back on my track, which I wanted to do. And then the non-serious ones were my 6:30 classes. I was never a morning person. I think you know this. I was never a morning person. I always wanted to like like sleep till late every morning, but then 6:30 classes gave me another perspective of life, but it was very challenging. And then it was this ethnic wear. I was so much used to wearing jeans and all the Western wear, but then when I got in Christ, I realized the importance of ethnic wear. So yeah, these were the challenges I faced.
Fantastic. Uh, uh, is this what you actually want from life, or you want to do something else in your life?
So as I told you that I started developing interest in my commerce field itself. So this is a short background story which I'm going to tell you. Initially, I wanted to do law. Okay. So I was preparing for CLAT. I wanted to give CLAT. But when I got in 11th and 12th, that's when I realized that I didn't wanted to leave my subjects. And most of the colleges who offer 5-year integrated course with respect to law offer courses with this thing, 1 3 year graduation course only with respect to BBA and BA in most of the colleges. And I didn't wanted to leave my subjects. I didn't wanted to leave accountancy. I didn't wanted to leave business studies anyways there. So I didn't wanted to leave accountancy, to be specific. And then I realized, I was like, nee, I'll do BCom first and then I'll figure out what to do. Once I got in CRISE, I realized that my course was associated with CA curriculum. I was like, fine, we'll give it a try. And that's when I wrote my first level. I wrote my second level. By God's grace, again, I cleared all of them. But sir, you know what? First thing is lack of knowledge in today's students. This was the challenge I forgot to mention about. So when we think of commerce, we always think of a CA or an accountant or a person who manages like some normal accounts, some normal maths. Let me tell you, commerce is not all about that. In commerce, we have many professional degrees which are almost equal or maybe better than CA in some other countries. So it's like we have CA, we have CMA, that is management accounting. We have CPA, we have ACCA, we have insurance, we have tax experts, we have international markets. There's a lot to see, there's a lot to go for. What students think when they think of commerce is generally CA or someone who's particularly jobless not to take up science. It's like if a student is not studious enough to take up science, he would go for commerce. But trust me, there's a lot. And today, India's economy, or I would say world's economy, is all about commerce. So yeah, that's why commerce. And I really love what I do. I mean, there are times when I used to leave my house at 6:30 a.m. and I used to return back at 12 a.m. at night. But even then, there was this satisfaction playing with numbers, satisfaction adjusting numbers, I would say. And then even in this schedule, I didn't feel like I wanted a vacation because this was something I loved. So that's how I can say that yes, I really want this from my life.
Actually, I have one question. If a student choose commerce stream, what would be your message to all those students?
Okay, so being a very strong supporter of a commerce background or a commerce stream, I would say is you have chosen the best thing. So since commerce is all about making money and handling money, I can guarantee you will never be unemployed if you give your best shot. Figure out what you want to do. There are lots and lots of professional degrees you can take up. Figure out things, figure out your area of interest in commerce because commerce is a wide area. Figure out if you want to do tax, if you want to do audit, you want to account, you whatever you want to do, and just excel in that area. Occupy that one small space you are best at so that you are able to prove yourself in that particular field.
Thank you so much, Anjali. Once again, a lot of thanks. And I request you that you will guide, prosperous student how to qualify CA in next session. So thank you so much once
Definitely.
again.